How to sell PEPE Coin on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to sell PEPE Coins on Binance, first and foremost, head over to the Binance application and launch it. Make sure that you have updated it to the latest version and then log in. Next up, once you log in, make sure to verify your identity. If that is not done, you might not be able to see different kinds of trading options. Now that you have verified your identity, head over to the home button. You can find the PEPE coin under the coin section, but if you do not find it, you can tap on the search icon and search for the pair USDT and PEPE. Once that is done, you can proceed to the trading interface. Hereby, you will see a sell button if you have verified your identity and have some PEPE coins on stock. To check if you have it available, you can head over to the section of your portfolio and check if PEPE coin is available in your balance. This way, you can also find out the approximate amount of USDT you would receive upon selling. Now to continue with, head over to the trading section and tap on sell button. Enter the amount of PEPE you want to sell and use the percentage slider to select a portion of your holdings. Confirm the USDT equivalent and you are good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.